Hello, my name is Rahul Gaikwad. I have completed my graduation in the year 2021. So after that I was working as an app support engineer for nearly about 3 years and I wasn't getting relevant growth and increment, so I decided to switch my domain. So one of my friend recommended Awdiz Institute, so as he was also placed from Awdiz, so I visited Awdiz and met Siddesh sir. So after that he recommended me CCNA course with the placement guarantee. So while working I chose as a weekend batch. After completing my CCNA course I was immediately placed at an MNC company, nearly about 4 LPA. So that was my journey. So I'll definitely recommend Awdiz to all of my friends and colleagues. So yeah, I just want to thank all Awdiz team for placing me. So yeah, thank you.